What's up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing another Since I replaced the license plate light of my 370Z from a halogen to an LED bulb and it's white, why is it so windy? This one is still on halogens and I am not a fan of them. I don't like orange light out of my license plate light. So we're going to use this segment to quickly replace our license plate light to LED. These replacement LED bulbs are actually 10 bucks at Amazon. It's a pack of 10 and they're the same bulbs that I used in my 370Z. If you haven't seen that video, it's right over here. So cop yourself one out. It's cheap, it's LED. Oh, by the way, and if your LED isn't working, well, it's probably your polarity is wrong. So just pull it out, switch it back, put it back in. Easy. So that's how you replace your 2016 Subaru Crosstrek license plate light to LED. It's so easy. Like, you can do it in like under a minute. If you like this quick video, hit the like. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're a dingus. Go ahead, do it now. What are you waiting for? And I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Take it easy, folks.